Hi, my name is Susan and I'm a gymnast. I've been doing gymnastics for 1.5 years and I'm a level 3 silver. I love gymnastics and it's super fun and it has taught me new things over the 1.5 years. I felt like I was always meant to be a gymnast. It's who I am and no one can take that away from me. My coaches, Deborah and Ava, taught me all that I know. They teach me new things that are really fun. I'm so excited to do more competing this year. I am really good at gymnastics and I learn new things every Tuesday and Thursday. Some things that I learn and I catch on really fast. Other things it takes me a few days, even weeks. It's really hard to learn everything so fast. And I'm gonna love continuing learning them. Competitions are really fun. We earn awards like trophies and medals. We win team awards too. We have 2 third place and 1 second place. We all won them together as a team. We go from event to event and show how we have all different skills and that we do them differently than other people. We're all in it as a team. We all show our voice together, and it's super fun. We all cheer for each other and make each other happy about what they did. It's so fun competing with my friends and having my family watch me. It's super fun how we earn awards and come home super happy. Competition season is coming up, so we need to practice, and it's so fun because we get to do different rotations and show how good we are at each of them and see how we need to improve. We get to show our voice every day by doing different things in gymnastics. It could be beam, bars, floor, or vault. It could even be on the tumble track or trampolines. We're all super good at different things. I'm proud to be a gymnast.